treating nicotine addiction with patches. For smokers, quitting smoking is one of the hardest things to do. It is a compulsive addiction that may have an impact on one's social behavior. The substance that makes cigarettes addictive is called nicotine. Nicotine, the active component of cigarettes, is a stimulant drug that is distributed in the body through the bloodstream. This substance may stimulate the brain and provides a rush of adrenaline, a hormone that acts as neurotransmitter. A rush of adrenaline may provide a shot of energy and give sensations of being high. When the nicotine levels of regular smokers falter, they usually experience withdrawal symptoms that may include restlessness, irritability, anxiety, difficulty concentrating, and craving for another smoke. These smokers need to smoke regularly in order to feel normal, a condition that may lead to addiction, and quitting smoking becomes more difficult. The amount of nicotine that enters a user's bloodstream depends on many factors. Tobacco products play a key role in this development, which involves the amount of cigarettes the user consumes. The addictive qualities of nicotine is one of the reasons why quitting smoking is very difficult for many individuals. Individuals who have a hard time cutting the habit may use products that are designed to relieve nicotine addiction. The use of nicotine patches have become a popular method for individuals who are having a hard time quitting smoking. This patch is a self-adhesive, over-the-counter medication which is attached to skin and works by releasing adequate amounts of nicotine to the skin. It is often applied on the upper arm and shoulder, but can apply to any part of the body between the waist and neck. These patches are replaced every 24 hours and should not be put in the same place more than once in a span of 2 weeks to minimize skin irritation. However, like other forms of medication, nicotine patches may bring side effects while under medication. This patch may cause itching and irritation to the area where it is applied. Other side effects may include dizziness, high blood pressure, itching and burning sensation at the applied area, nausea, and redness of skin. Individuals who decide to use this product should be aware of any side effects that may take place. This patch may cause heart ailments for individuals with certain medical conditions. Health professionals should be consulted before using this patch to explain side effects and reactions that may develop. In general, the use of nicotine patches have become a very popular nicotine replacement product for many individuals who want to quit smoking. It is a safe alternative to smoking and is scientifically proven to decrease smokers' dependency on nicotine. Nicotine patches cannot do all the work. The best and effective way to quit smoking involves determination, discipline, and commitment to stop the habit permanently. Using nicotine patches can help smokers cut the habit by making them more comfortable with a life without cigarettes.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.